Winter kills more houseplants than any other season. But what if I told you that $10 at Dollar Tree can keep every single one of your plants thriving until spring? Winter is brutal on plants. Dry air from heaters, low light from short days, cold drafts from windows. It's like a perfect storm of plant stress. And most people watch their green babies struggle without knowing there are simple, affordable solutions. Today, I'm sharing $10 tree hacks that will transform your winter plant care. We're talking humidity boosters, light enhancers, temperature stabilizers, and clever tricks that cost $1 each but work like expensive equipment. Real quick, drop a comment and tell me what your biggest winter plant struggle is. Dry leaves? Leggy growth? I want to hear from you. And if you're serious about keeping your plants alive and thriving through winter, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I share real plant care advice that actually works on a budget. Alright, let's jump into hack number 1. And this one solves the biggest winter problem. Hack 1. Create humidity trays with decorative pebbles. The number 1 plant killer in winter? Bone-dry air from heating systems. Most houseplants need humidity between 40 to 60%, but winter indoor air drops to 10 to 20%. That's desert level. Here's the fix. Grab bags of decorative pebbles, river rocks, or glass marbles from Dollar Tree. You'll find them in the craft or floral section. Spread the pebbles in shallow trays. Dollar Tree has perfect plastic serving trays or foil pans. Pour water until it sits just below the top layer of pebbles. Then place your plant pots on top. Look at what's happening. As the water evaporates, it creates a humid microclimate around your plants. The pebbles keep the pot elevated so roots never sit in water, preventing rot. This hack works beautifully for tropical plants like calatheas, ferns, peace lilies, and orchids that crave moisture in the air. It's completely passive. Just refill the water weekly. For $1 or $2 per tray, you've created a mini greenhouse effect that keeps leaves from crisping and browning all winter. This one hack alone will save dozens of plants. Hack 2. Use mirrors to double your light. Winter days are short and weak. Your plants are basically starving for light, which causes leggy growth, pale leaves, and zero new growth. But here's a brilliant Dollar Tree solution: mirrors. Grab small tabletop mirrors, wall mirrors, or even reflective cookie sheets from Dollar Tree. Position them behind or beside your plants to bounce natural light back onto the leaves. Watch this. When you angle a mirror correctly, you're essentially doubling the light exposure your plant receives. That south-facing window suddenly works twice as hard. This is especially powerful for plants in corners or far from windows. The reflected light reaches leaves that would normally be in shadow. You can get creative with placement. Lean mirrors against walls behind plant shelves, hang them opposite windows, or place them under transparent plant stands to reflect light upward. Not only does this improve plant health, but it also brightens your entire space, making winter feel less gloomy. It's functional and aesthetic. For $1 per mirror, you've just extended your growing season and saved your plants from winter etiolation. That's a game changer. Hack 3. Turn storage bins into greenhouse domes. Want to create a tropical paradise for your most sensitive plants? Use Dollar Tree's clear plastic storage bins as makeshift greenhouses. Here's how it works. Place your humidity-loving plants inside a large clear bin, or flip the bin upside down to cover a group of smaller pots. The clear plastic traps moisture and warmth, creating a self-contained humid environment. Look at the condensation forming on the inside. That's exactly what your ferns, calatheas, and phytonias are craving. Inside that dome, humidity stays high even when your house air is desert dry. Lift the lid or prop it slightly open every few days to allow fresh air circulation and prevent mold. This airflow exchange is important. You want humid, not stagnant. This hack is perfect for propagation stations too. Cuttings root faster in high humidity, and these bins create ideal conditions. The bins are lightweight, stackable, and come in various sizes. You can build an entire mini plant sanctuary on a windowsill for under $10. For plants that constantly crisp up in winter, this is the solution you've been searching for. Hack 4. Mist strategically with quality spray bottles. Misting gets a mixed reputation in plant care, but done correctly with the right tools, It's incredibly helpful in winter. Dollar Tree carries surprisingly good spray bottles in various sizes. Grab a few, you'll want different sizes for different purposes. The key is using a fine mist setting, not a stream. Fine mist settles gently on leaves, boosting humidity around the foliage without drenching the soil or leaving water spots. Fill bottles with room temperature water and mist tropical plants every morning. The water evaporates slowly throughout the day, increasing ambient humidity. Morning misting also gives leaves time to dry before nightfall, preventing fungal issues. Here's a pro tip. Add a drop of liquid fertilizer to one spray bottle for foliar feeding. Plants can absorb nutrients through leaves, giving them a boost during slow winter growth. You can also use spray bottles for cleaning leaves. Dust accumulation blocks light. A quick mist and gentle wipe keeps foliage photosynthesizing efficiently. Keep bottles in every room with plants for quick daily care. At $1 each, there's no excuse not to have multiple bottles ready to go. This simple habit makes a massive difference in winter plant health. For hacks in, and we've already tackled humidity, light, and moisture management, the 3 biggest winter challenges. If this is already helping, smash that like button. And stick around because hack number 5 is about to blow your mind. Let's keep going. Hack 5. Improve drainage with pool noodle chunks. Winter watering is tricky. Plants need less water because growth slows, but poor drainage causes root rot even faster in cold conditions. Here's a clever fix. Dollar Tree pool noodles. Yes, really. Cut pool noodles into rings or chunks and place them at the bottom of large pots before adding soil. The foam creates excellent drainage space and air pockets while being incredibly lightweight. Look at the difference. Traditional drainage layers use rocks or gravel, which make pots heavy and hard to move. Pool noodle chunks provide the same drainage benefit at a fraction of the weight. This is especially valuable in winter when you're constantly moving plants to chase light or escape cold windows. Heavy pots become manageable. The foam also provides slight insulation against cold surfaces. If your pots sit on cold floors or windowsills, this barrier protects roots from temperature shock. Plus, you're using less soil, which saves money and reduces the risk of waterlogged, compacted soil that stays wet too long. One pool noodle provides drainage for multiple large pots. For $1, you've solved drainage and weight issues simultaneously. Genius. Hack 6. Protect surfaces with shower curtain liner mats. Winter means watering indoors more carefully, but accidents happen. And water damage to furniture or floors is expensive. Here's your insurance policy. Dollar Tree shower curtain liners. They're waterproof, flexible, and easy to cut to any size. Cut the liner into sections and place them under plant shelves, on windowsills, or beneath pot groupings. They catch any drips, overflows, or drainage leaks before they reach your furniture. Look how thin and discreet they are. Unlike bulky plant trays, these liners lie flat and are barely visible, but they provide complete moisture protection. They're also easy to clean. Just wipe them down or rinse them off when needed. No scrubbing water stains off wood furniture or dealing with mold on windowsills. This hack is especially useful if you're using humidity trays or grouping multiple plants together. The liner creates a unified waterproof zone that keeps everything neat and protected. For larger plant setups, use an entire curtain liner under a whole shelf or plant stand. It's cheaper than commercial waterproof mats and works just as well. One liner costs $1 and can protect hundreds of dollars in furniture. That's smart plant parenting. Hack 7. Add gentle warmth with LED tea lights. Cold windowsills and drafty corners stress plants in winter. While LED tea lights won't replace grow lights, they provide something valuable, gentle, consistent warmth. Dollar Tree LED tea lights are battery-operated and emit a small amount of heat. Place several near smaller pots or in enclosed setups to stabilize temperature. Look at this arrangement. The tea lights create a cozy microclimate that prevents temperature drops, especially at night when heating systems cycle off. This is particularly helpful for tropical plants that hate cold, or for plants sitting near drafty windows where temperatures fluctuate wildly. The soft glow also adds beautiful ambience to your plant displays. Your indoor garden looks magical at night while getting subtle temperature support. For best results, Place tea lights on reflective surfaces like mirrors or foil trays to spread warmth more evenly. And always use LED, never real candles, for safety. This isn't a major heating solution, but those few extra degrees of warmth can make the difference between a plant thriving versus going dormant or declining. At $1 for multiple tea lights, it's an affordable way to create warmer microclimates for your most sensitive plants. Hack 8. Build a propagation station with glass jars. Winter is actually the perfect time to propagate plants indoors. You're inside anyway, and watching roots develop is the ultimate winter gardening therapy. Dollar Tree has beautiful glass jars and vases in every size. Use them to create stunning propagation stations that are both functional and decorative. Fill jars with clean room temperature water, take healthy cuttings from your plants, and place them in the jars with stems submerged. The clear glass lets you watch the entire root development process. Look at these roots forming. It's like magic happening in real time. And because it's happening indoors on a sunny windowsill, you're using natural light and stable temperatures. Propagation in winter gives you free plants ready to pot up come spring. Plus, the glass jars reflect light, adding brightness to your space during dark months. For a decorative touch, tie jute twine or ribbon around jar necks, or arrange multiple jars in a tray with pebbles for a cohesive look. This hack combines plant multiplication with beautiful home decor. You're growing your collection for pennies while creating an eye-catching display. Start cuttings now, and you'll have thriving new plants ready for spring gifting or expanding your collection. Okay, real talk, if you're already planning your Dollar Tree shopping list, leave a comment with what you're grabbing first. I love hearing what resonates with you. 2 more hacks to go, and they're both total game changers. Let's finish strong. Hack 9. Use mesh laundry bags for clean drainage. Here's a problem everyone faces. You water your plants, excess drains through, and soil comes with it, making a muddy mess under every pot. The solution: Dollar Tree mesh laundry bags. Cut the bags into squares and place one piece over each drainage hole before adding soil. The mesh allows water to flow freely while trapping soil inside the pot. Look how clean this drainage is. Pure water, zero sediment. Your pot saucers stay clean, your surfaces stay spotless, and you're not constantly wiping up dirty water. This is especially important in winter when you're watering less frequently and want every watering to be clean and efficient. Messy drainage leads to stains on furniture and mold growth. The mesh also prevents soil from washing away over time, which means your plants stay properly anchored and you're not constantly topping off soil levels. These bags are cheap, reusable, and easy to cut to any pot size. One bag provides mesh for dozens of pots. It's such a simple hack, but it makes plant care so much cleaner and more manageable. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Hack 10. Create hanging planters from plastic baskets. Our final hack solves one of winter's biggest challenges: limited bright window space. When light is scarce, you need to maximize every inch near your brightest windows. Hanging planters let you use vertical space, getting more plants into prime light zones. Dollar Tree's lightweight plastic baskets are perfect for this. Choose baskets with open designs or holes for drainage and airflow. Line them with fabric scraps, burlap, or even coconut coir. Fill with potting mix, add your plants, then hang them using twine, rope, or chains near sunny windows. Look at this transformation. By hanging plants higher, you're capturing better light angles and creating room below for more plants. You've essentially doubled your growing space. This is especially perfect for trailing plants like pothos, philodendrons, ivy, or spider plants. They cascade beautifully and finally get the bright indirect light they've been craving. The plastic baskets are sturdy yet light, making them easy to take down for watering then rehang. And if you rotate plants in and out, you can give different species bright window time without permanent installations. Group several hanging baskets at different heights for a stunning vertical garden that catches every ray of winter sunshine. For a few dollars, you've solved space limitations and light competition simultaneously. That's the perfect way to end this list. Before we wrap up, let me give you some critical bonus tips for using these hacks successfully. Tip number 1. Adjust watering frequency even with these hacks. Remember that winter plants need less water. Growth slows, so water only when the top few inches of soil are dry. Overwatering kills more plants than anything else in winter. Tip number 2. Group plants together. Use these hacks on grouped plants, not isolated single pots. Plants naturally create humidity around each other. Combined with humidity trays and domes, you'll create powerful microclimates. Tip number 3. Monitor for pests. Winter stress weakens plants, making them vulnerable to spider mites, mealybugs, and scale. Check plants weekly. Use spray bottles with diluted neem oil for prevention. Tip number 4. Rotate regularly. Even with mirrors and optimal placement, rotate plants weekly so all sides receive light. This prevents lopsided growth and ensures even health. Tip number 5. Resist fertilizing. Most plants enter dormancy or slow growth in winter. Hold off on fertilizer until you see active new growth in spring. Feeding dormant plants causes salt buildup and root damage. Tip number 6. Watch temperature fluctuations. Keep plants away from heating vents, radiators, and drafty windows. Extreme temperature swings stress plants more than consistent cool temperatures. Tip number 7. Clean tools regularly. Keep spray bottles, trays, and bins clean to prevent algae, bacteria, and mold. Rinse weekly with hot water and mild soap. Tip number 8. Label everything. If you're trying multiple hacks, label which plants get which treatment. Keep notes on what works so you can refine your system next winter. Tip number 9. Be patient. Winter growth is slow or non-existent for most plants. That's normal. Your goal is survival and health, not rapid growth. Spring will bring explosive new growth. Tip number 10. Start small. You don't need all 10 hacks at once. Start with humidity trays and mirrors, the 2 biggest impact hacks. Add others as needed based on your specific plant struggles. These Dollar Tree hacks work because they address the core challenges winter creates: dry air, low light, and temperature instability. Fix those, and your plants thrive. And there you have it. $10 tree hacks that will keep every single one of your plants alive and thriving all winter long. From humidity trays and light-reflecting mirrors to greenhouse domes and propagation stations, these simple solutions prove that plant care doesn't require expensive equipment, just creativity and a few dollars. Winter doesn't have to be a plant death sentence. With these hacks, your indoor jungle will stay lush, green, and healthy until spring arrives. Here's what I want you to do right now. First, hit that like button if these hacks opened your eyes to affordable winter plant care solutions. It genuinely helps more people discover these tips. Second, leave a comment. Tell me which hack you're trying first, or share your own Dollar Tree plant care discoveries. I read every single comment and love hearing from you. And third, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I share real, practical plant care advice that actually works on any budget. No gatekeeping, no expensive products, just solutions. Thanks so much for watching. Now grab your Dollar Tree list, hit the store, and get your plants set up for winter success. Your green babies are going to thrive. I'll see you in the next one. Happy plant parenting!